Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I got you one more off-campus drive, which is Saskin Off-Campus Drive 2021. So make sure you will be meeting all these eligibility criteria, which will be describing in the down below. So the people who can apply for this is BE, BTech, ME, MCA, MSc. The job location will be in Bangalore mostly. And coming down to just see the eligibility criteria, so we have very limited schedule to freshers. We have only limited posts, so please make sure you apply for this as soon as possible. And coming to the job details, you have a job role like developer or tester. This will be mostly this will be given by the company itself, so we cannot choose any type of job role they will be giving us. And coming to the qualification, as I have said you, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA or MSc. And coming to the experience, they need freshers like 2021 2020 batch. If they don't have any experience, they can absolutely apply for this particular thing. Coming to the salary package, they are offering us 3.7 LPA. Coming to the job locations, as I have said, which will be in Bangalore. The last date is as soon as possible, as I have said. Coming to the educational qualities now, this is very much important to know whenever you apply to any type of company drive. So let's see, the degree is as usual, I said BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA or MSc or MS. Coming to the BTech, which we should have in a stream called computer science, information technology, information science, electronics and communication, and electronics and instrumentation. So only these streams can apply for this drive. Coming to the ME, MTech stream, computer science or communication streams can apply. And MSc IT with BSc IT. Eligibility criteria is you must have 65% or 6.5 CGPA across academics. You should have 65% throughout the academics, so make sure you must have 65 and then you just apply for this. Then you'll be having an eligibility criteria. Coming to the skills that you wanted to have is C and Java, which is very easy because this was a great opportunity to you all guys to apply as soon as possible because the skills required is only C and Java. Coming to the selection process, you will be having first online assessment in multiple choice format. As usual, for every company will be having this same. So you'll be having online assessment. If you just shortlisted after this online assessment, you will be having 2 rounds of technical interview. Make sure this point very clearly. You will be having 2 rounds of technical interview, and after qualifying these 2 technical interviews, you will be having 1 round of HR interview, which will be the final round. So make sure you will be writing every round in a very clear manner and with a confidence. So every round will be like you will be having elimination round. Okay, coming to the process, how to apply is you just don't have any application form to fill, but you have a mail which they have been given here. So just copy that particular mail and send your resume through your email. So see here, all interested or eligible candidates can apply this drive by sending your resume to this particular mail. So copy this particular mail and go to your email and just paste that mail here and write the subject as job applicant. So as I have already wrote, not to be so much and not to take so much of time, and I have wrote a brief explanation about myself, like I am Janvi, interested to apply for this drive, that is Saskin Off-Campus Drive. So and now let's just add up our resume. Just make sure you give your resume in a PDF format. After adding your PDF, and you just click on send, it will be sent, so you can just see the message was sent. Okay, so that's all about this session. Hope you are liking this video. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.